Always make sure the first step, guys, the first step is to make sure you've punctured through. Meaning, so you press, rotate, then, and ladies and gentlemen, once you remove this part, this is how you use a tufting gun on a very tight budget. Now, even if you plan on not using machine in the next several months, it's very important to just lubricate it for the longevity of your machine. Okay. Now, for us to understand how we made a simple rug like this, using this and this, we have to understand our machine first, okay? Now, a tufting gun is a very simple machine, a dangerous one, but a very simple yet profitable one. So, a tufting machine is all made up of this motor, okay? This is the important part of this machine. Without this machine does not function. So understanding your machine is a very important part. Now, other than understanding your machine, the other important part is understanding its requirements, and one of the most important requirements is lubricating the machine. So let me show you how we lubricate it. We only lubricate the parts that are moving, guys, okay? So let's start here, okay? 1, and this part 2. Then we go to the lower part of the same part. 1. Even if you plan on not using machine in the next several months, it's very important to just lubricate it for the longevity of your machine, okay? Then now we are ready to tuft. Let's start, guys. This first button you're seeing here, this is usually to turn on power to the machine, okay? For now, when you do anything, no response, you'll get no response. So you press it, clickety click, then here it will turn on, okay? And this is for acceleration, like for speed or more power, okay? So you do that. Once you feel it, that's when you start. So you don't start unless you feel you're ready, okay? So I press that. Once I'm okay with that, the next step will be to press here the power, but then to keep moving my hand up. I'm the one moving my hand up, guys. The gun does not move itself. Okay, notice. Now, because it's the edges of design is normally called a borderline. Every border must be done at least twice or more for quality purposes, and because we'll be trimming it later, okay? So 1, then on top of it another one, and this side another one. Now, for us to go one side to one side, I'll have to press my machine, feel the fabric, then rotate my machine at a 90-degree angle, okay, guys? So you press, rotate, then again. See, easy peasy, life as a bee. Again. Ding dong! Must be the new whip that I ordered. This part in, and the part that most people go on wrong is because they usually leave the border and they start on top of it. So no, because we did the border twice, always press in between them. Actually press until I feel the fabric, then until the middle there, okay? So I'll do this process again till I finish this part. Now, if you can see here, because I've left equally placed space in between every line, the lines that I'll be doing now is in the middle place, and it will make my rag equally placed and equally distributed my yarn, okay? So let's do that, then go check what I just did. Now keep in mind, whatever we are doing, the results is in the front side. That's why most people get confused. Like, Arafat, how did it change from this side to that fabric part? Let me show you guys. So you see, this is a rag. This is a rag that's done, left to be glued. Now, when you're tufting, you're working on this back side. If you look here, this is the side we're working on. But the results is on the front side, okay guys? So always keep that in mind when you're tufting or you're watching tufting videos. And ladies and gentlemen, once you remove this part, this is how you use a tufting gun on a very tight budget. Now if you find this video amazing, I have very more amazing videos such as this, or vlogs even of myself if you're not interested in learning about tufting. So please enjoy my videos and subscribe, come to my channel more and more, tell a friend to tell a friend, and also let's get into tufting. And if you're also into tufting, tell me, how many months or years have you been into this game? This is my third year, guys. What about yours? When you start, guys, be the one in control of the machine. Do not let the machine be in control of you, okay? You're the one in power, you're the one in charge. So take that motive and act like it.